This morning, as big gatherings spread across the country, a dire new warning about the spread of the virus.
We've plateaued at around 50,000 cases a day, an unacceptably high level.
The average daily death rate is tragically still more than twice that seen last September.
17 states and Washington, D.C. now reporting an increase in cases in the last 2 weeks. Michigan seeing a spike of 56%. This as the number of vaccinations is climbing. Roughly 28% of all adults and 65% of seniors have received at least one shot. As states reopen, there's also new guidance for schools, with studies showing a social distance of 3 feet between students and teachers is just as effective as 6 feet. And with vaccine trials on kids ramping up, Dr. Fauci predicts 12 to 16-year-olds will start getting shots this fall, with kids under 12 by the first quarter of next year. But there's growing concern vaccines aren't going to the most vulnerable, like Black and Hispanic communities and the poor.
Underserved communities with higher rates of infections have disproportionately low inoculation rates, despite the fact that they are more likely to contract COVID-19, transmit COVID-19, and die from COVID-19.
Many Americans are still hesitant to be inoculated, but 111-year-old Bernice Bohannon, who survived the pandemic of 1918, says people shouldn't wait.
Tell them, come on and get it.
Even with vaccines, doctors still urge caution. Edmund Rigby got his first shot last month, but before he could get his second dose, he caught COVID and died, leaving his family in shock.
It all happened so quickly that I feel like it's not real. It's just not real.
The COVID task force says any leftover surplus of vaccines could be stockpiled for use as booster shots later on. Drug companies and the government are also studying those emerging virus variants so the next round of vaccines can be more effective against them.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.